Hi, this is Renee Weiler, and today is April 1st, 2023, and we are looking into who owns Dominion. Dominion Voting Systems. And this is on my academia page if you would like to take a look at the whole file there. But we're just going to scroll down here and do a quick video on HSBC Bank, which is Hong Kong Shanghai Banking, and Dominion Voting Systems. So Dominion Voting Systems makes all our Michigan voting machines, and we are not happy with the results. Nothing adds up. We have a very robust election integrity company here. It's called, let's see, what is it called? Voter Integrity Force. And we patriots are doing all kinds of canvassing. And we're finding out here in Grand Traverse County that a lot of the people that voted in person are listed as absentee voters. So we're going to have to look into that. There's so many things we're looking into right now, but we believe there's a connection between the mortgage registration system, and you will, if you don't know, HSBC is a MERS member. So they have all the information on mortgagers' data. So if you think about it, on the mortgage loan application, we call it the 1003, it has your name, your address, where you've lived over the last 2 years. It has all your assets, your credit scores, everything, the whole wonderful golden egg of data on mortgagers is in the MERS database, Mortgage Electronic Registration System. And HSBC is a member, so they have access to all of our mortgage data. They have 18 patents that they have collateralized for Dominion Voting System. So they are an artificial intelligence nightmare. And we also have the Iranians coming in here with Staple Street Capital. Houghton Yagabuzada is an Iranian. And then we have over here the Dominion Voting Systems, 400 million brokered, connected to UBS New York and a UBS Beijing. Didn't UBS just buy Credit Suisse? I thought I heard that, but I'll have to check on that to see if that is accurate. So UBS owns 51% of UBS securities in Beijing. China owns 49% of UBS. And here we have all kinds of nice little details that came from Lynn Wood's tweets. So I'll let you see that. But when we go onto the second chart we have here, it breaks down this side of the chart with UBS, and it has some interesting information here. The Chinese Communist Party comprises 49% of, a shell company and another shell company and another shell company. Let's just say that. And then COFCO is a strategic partner with Bohai Harvest, the company in which Hunter Biden owns 10%. That little devil, he has got his hand in everyone's pocket, doesn't he? Well, that's just amazing. And Trump is the one that's indicted. Let's figure that one out. So here are some notes here. We're going to go on to the next page. And this came from a whistleblower email. Basically, the Iranian who was on the board of directors for Dominion Voting Systems before working at Sabira's Capital. He was working at Carlyle Group, which had direct ties to Saddum Hussein. So we have an Iranian who worked at the Carlyle Group during 9/11. Oh, isn't that interesting? Staple Street Equity was founded by former members of the George Soros funded Carlyle Group. And on it goes. So the global elitists are all involved in Dominion voting and Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corp. So here we have on the next page a notice of security interest in intellectual property. This is the Dominion Voting System Corporation. Who is the debtor? Okay, so I'm not even going to pretend to know what's going on here, but you can read this and know that there's a lot of funny business going on with a lot of shell companies. And why did Dominion assign 18 patents to Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corp? We don't know, but we do know that there are 18 patents. And so I'm going to be looking into each one of these. The first one I've done a video on, so that is posted on my YouTube station. So you can go through that and look. Anybody wants to make some comments on any of these patents, there are 18 of them. So here there's numbers. And they're collateralized by the Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corp. And let's see, lastly, we have the mortgage enhancements for HSBC. So I'm just going to scroll through this and let you know that HSBC was under consent order for doing some shady things with foreclosures and MERS activities. So you will see on my Hong Kong Shanghai video where I audit 6 of the mortgage assignments that came from Chester County, Pennsylvania. You will see that they're all fraudulent. They all attempt to assign the mortgage without the note, which nullifies the mortgage. Then they assign the unsecured credit to a foreign investor, or I'm sorry, not a foreign investor, but a foreign servicer, or a trustee like Deutsche Bank poses as a trustee to steal Americans' homes. We're under attack from Baby Loan Servicing, who is the Japanese, just changed their name to Community Loan Servicing, Deutsche Banks, and HSBC Bank. They're all taking our homes, getting all those funds from the stolen homes and taking them overseas, while we in the United States decide on, woke issues. So they're eating our lunch, as Trump said, and we're not doing anything about it because there are too many people in the deep state, in the swamp creatures, who are making money here in the United States. These are all traders. And so that's what's going on. And just so you know that HSBC was under consent order. I don't think I have that in here, but they were under consent order for all of their fraudulent processes and foreclosures. Thank you for watching.